committing knowingly perjury, making one or more false statements under oath in an examination conducted by a prosecuting attorney pursuant to a subpoena to investigate the commission of the murder of Longmire Jr. That occurred on February 28th, 2026. Specifically, but not limited to the arson of Longmire's vehicle.
You say what happened?
Well, it's alleged that you made a false statement, that you committed a perjury under oath during an examination conducted by a prosecuting attorney.
And when was this?
Under subpoena. I'm just saying that this is alleged to have occurred on May 14th of 2026. And specifically that you testified that you went directly to Moody's. You don't want to say anything about the incident, I'm just telling you what's in the warrant. But you went directly to Moody's bar after you last seen Longmire at defendant's residence, the last place Longmire was reportedly seen alive, that he didn't go to. So it's alleged that you committed a perjury during a court hearing on May 14th. This offense, because it had to do with a court hearing, which was a main offense, makes this a life offense.
I don't.
Just don't say.
Mr. Warren, we would ask you don't talk about the facts of any of the case going
Just
on.
answer my questions. You don't wanna say anything, because anything that you say during this hearing could end up being used against you, so just listen to me and to the lawyer that's present in the courtroom. Who's Mr.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have the following rights. You have the right to an attorney. You have the right to have an attorney appointed if you cannot afford one. And, would you like the court to appoint a lawyer to represent you?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
You have the right to have a probable cause conference and a preliminary examination within the next 21 days. And as I said, you have the right to have your lawyer present when you're in court or when you're questioned by the police on this matter. And you have a right to have a bond set. Anything that you wanted to say about bond?
Yes, I have a.
Mr. Warren,
Oh, my bad, I just talked to me.
Okay, I should have made that clear. That's not your fault. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. It's our understanding that Mr. Warren has a parole hold on this, but we would note that he works locally, lives locally, owns a local business. This is non-assaultive charge of what he's alleged to have done. He's indicated to our office in our brief conversation with him possible defenses in fighting this, and for those reasons we would ask for a reasonably low cash bond.
Where do you live, Mr. Warren? What's your address?
2913 Wharf.
Under employer and income, etc., I just see lines were drawn. I don't know if you filled that form out or not. But I see.
My business.
But there's a parole hold at any rate.
And where?
Apparently there is a parole. You're currently on parole, is that correct?
Yes, but my agent say he won't take the whole by the PR bond. But he didn't know about this situation. My
Given
PO
your
said that
record and that extensive record dating back to 1998 and the seriousnly of the charge and the fact that you're on parole, you're not going to qualify for a personal recognizance bond.
Well, I didn't do that. I'm not.
Mr. Warren, you don't need to be talking about the facts of the case here. That can be saved for another time.
Okay. I'm going to set a $10,000 cash or surety bond at this time, which will be subject to review, which, just listen to me, it'll be subject to review when we have more information about what your parole agent intends to do in this matter. It's subject to review by the judge that will be presiding over this case. I'm a visiting judge today. And bond is always subject to review, so this is something that can be reviewed, at a future date with not too much time, but right now, that's
10% or
what you scored.
10%.
Judge, could I address bond briefly? I know you've already wrote, but I don't know if you normally let the prosecutor address bond. That's why I
Yes,
came
I'm
today.
sorry,
That's
I
okay.
did not, yes.
I just came for this one, Judge, only because I have great interest in this, and because we were investigating the murder of Longmire, as well as the arson of his vehicle that occurred the next day, and a related shooting that the defendant was involved in, that occurred a few days later, was related to this.
Don't say anything about.
Mr. Warren, please, don't speak about any facts going on
I'm
here.
learning about none of that shit, bro.
Mr.
I ain't
Warren.
hearing nobody don't know shit, bro. Quit fucking playing with me, bro. I don't know
Mr.
about
Warren,
that
Mr. Warren,
shit.
please, we don't need to be talking about any facts of this going on at this time. This is something we can talk about at a later time.
Y'all look at all my shit, y'all got nothing. I don't do shit, I don't know.
Judge,
Fuck, I was at home. Fuck on, bro.
Judge, I spoke with the parole agent myself yesterday to let him know about this particular charge, and, he informed me that he would put the hold on him. There's no guarantee how long that will be on there, I don't know, he is on parole. And his record is assault, and there's several prior assaults on his record, felony assaults. In this particular case, Judge, we are still trying to find the body of the victim, and the defendant has been obstructionist at best, and at worst, flat out made lies to the police about, his knowledge of impossible involvement. We are waiting on additional lab results from positive hits in his vehicle and in his home for apparent blood. So we're asking for a more significant bond if the court
That ain't no
consider
more,
that
man,
now
that's a dog.
Mr. Warren.
on the courts. We're just asking for a more significant bond, possibly just 50,000 cash surety, until we can sort out, what's happening with the parole and, keep him in custody. So that's the people's request, Judge.
That don't even make sense. I ain't getting out volunteer.
Mr. Warren, please, we do not need to be talking about this at this
You're
point.
talking,
Man,
it's not helping.
This isn't helping, Mr.
Not
Warren.
helping the vet, all right.
Oh, bro.
Court will set a $35,000 cash surety bond.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, we're finished.
And I'm suing all y'all too, bro. I ain't got nothing to do with shit. I'm suing the fuck out of all y'all, bro. I got me fucked up, bro.
Mr. Warren, please.
That's my family. I don't know about nothing. I wasn't there, didn't do shit. I don't know.
Mr. Warren, please, let's not talk about this right now, we talk about this at a later point.
I didn't tell you shit I don't know.
So we can
I ain't
proceed.
this shit, no motherfucking body, motherfucker. I don't give a fuck about no new case, man. It's a murder, nigga. Like, I'm volunteering with myself, bro. The fuck on, let's get there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Fuck, man. I'm fucked up, bro.
Always a pleasure, Allison. That's okay, Judge.